Let me ask you something before we dive in. Are you ready to live your best life? No, I'm serious. Take a moment and think about it. Are you truly ready to wake up every single day with the passion and determination to become the best version of yourself? Because if you are, I've got 9 powerful truths you need to tell yourself daily. These truths will shape your mindset, feed your soul, and help you stay focused on who you really are. Oh, and one more thing. I've left an important question for you in the comment section because your thoughts matter just as much as mine. Check it out, and let's grow together. Number 1, I am the best. This isn't arrogance. It's belief. Belief in yourself and in the idea that you were created for something bigger and better. Every morning you need to tell yourself, I am the best. If you don't believe it, how can you expect anyone else to? This doesn't mean looking down on others. It means acknowledging the greatness within yourself. Trust me, the world will try to convince you otherwise. But when you know you're the best at what you do, you won't stop for doubt or fear. You'll stop letting others define your worth. You'll stop second-guessing your abilities. You'll walk into every room with confidence, knowing you belong. Every step you take will be intentional. You won't shy away from challenges. You'll embrace them because you know you have what it takes. Being the best isn't about being better than others. It's about being the best version of yourself. When you truly believe in your greatness, your actions will reflect it. Success starts in your mind. Greatness flows from within. Hold on to that belief and watch as opportunities unfold before you. Number 2, I can do anything. Far too many people live their lives thinking I can't. Let me tell you something. You can. You are capable of anything you set your mind to. The only limits you have are the ones you impose on yourself when you tell yourself every day, I can do anything. You lock new possibilities. Stop waiting for permission to chase your dreams. You can do anything. It's not about waiting for the right moment, the perfect opportunity, or someone else's support. It's about creating those opportunities for yourself. Your potential is limitless, but it all begins with belief. Every successful person has faced fear, doubt, and uncertainty, but they didn't let it hold them back. They acted despite the fear. Every time you remind yourself, I can, you take one step closer to your dreams. Don't just dream, act. The secret is consistency. Day by day, inch by inch, you move forward. Eliminate I can't from your vocabulary and replace it with relentless determination. If you say it enough, you'll start to believe it. And once you believe it, you'll achieve it. Number 3, my future is bright. It's crazy how many people live in darkness while their future is glowing, simply because they're too focused on the clouds. Every morning, tell yourself, my future is bright. It doesn't matter what happened yesterday. It doesn't matter if today feels tough. You have to keep your eyes on the horizon because your future is brighter than you can imagine. But here's the key. You have to claim it. The setbacks you face today are setting the stage for something better. Your failures are not defeats. They are lessons. Every time you feel like giving up, remember that your future is waiting, filled with potential and success. You are not defined by where you are right now. You're defined by where you're going. And where you're headed is full of light, growth, and opportunity. So trust the process. Keep moving forward and never lose sight of your vision. Every storm runs out of rain, and beyond the clouds, the sun is always shining. Stay patient, stay hopeful. Number 4, I am getting better each day. Progress, that's what it's all about. You're not going to wake up tomorrow and suddenly be perfect, but you can wake up tomorrow and be better than you were yesterday. Every single day you are growing stronger, smarter, wiser, and more capable. Say it, I am getting better each day. When you reflect on your progress, you'll see just how unstoppable you are. Growth isn't always visible, but it's happening. Every challenge you face is molding you. Every mistake you make is teaching you something new. When you adopt this mindset, you'll stop being hard on yourself for not being perfect and start celebrating the small wins. Each day is a fresh opportunity to improve, learn, and to evolve. You might not be where you want to be just yet, but you're on your way, and that's what truly matters. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Embrace the journey and trust that every lesson learned and every obstacle overcome is shaping you into the person you're meant to be. Number 5, I will work hard. Success isn't handed to anyone. You have to earn it. You have to put in the effort, endure the grind, and stay relentless. There are no shortcuts in life. If you truly want something, you need to commit to doing the work. So each morning, remind yourself, I will work hard. While others are sleeping, doubting, or making excuses, you'll be hustling, pushing forward, and improving. Success doesn't belong to the lazy. It belongs to those who are relentless. Hard work builds discipline. Discipline builds success. There will be days when you feel like giving up, but the people who succeed are the ones who keep going. They push past discomfort, fatigue, and doubt. Remember this, Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't put in the effort. So don't just dream about success. Go out and earn it. The grind may not be easy, but the rewards are worth every ounce of effort you give. Consistency is the key. When you put in the hours, the results will come. Don't be tempted by shortcuts. They never lead to lasting success. Number 6, no excuses. Here's the truth. Excuses are just lies. We tell ourselves to justify why we're not where we want to be. No more excuses. You're not too tired. You're not too busy. You're not too old or too young. Stop focusing on what you can't do and start focusing on what you can do. Every time you make an excuse, you're holding yourself back from reaching your potential. So let's stop with the excuses. Life doesn't wait for you to feel ready. It keeps moving, and so should you. You either find a way or you find an excuse. It's that simple. Successful people don't waste their energy blaming others or their circumstances. They take ownership, adapt, and find solutions. Starting today, hold yourself accountable. Don't let excuses define your path or limit your potential. Every excuse is a missed opportunity, and every moment spent justifying inaction delays your success. Refuse to let excuses rob you of the greatness you're meant to achieve. Number 7, I was born to do great things. Do you feel that pull deep inside? That's greatness calling your name. You weren't put here just to exist or settle for mediocrity. You were born to do something extraordinary. You have a purpose, a calling, and every single day you need to remind yourself that greatness is in your DNA. You were designed for this. Don't settle for less. When greatness runs through your veins, you were born with unique gifts and talents that the world needs. Don't hide them. Share them. Shine brightly. When doubt creeps in, remember you were chosen for something special. Every obstacle you face is preparing you for your moment to shine. Greatness isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about being the best version of you. Walk boldly in your purpose, and don't forget you were born for greatness. Every big accomplishment begins with a decision to try. It's your responsibility to claim your greatness and make it a reality. Number 8, people's opinions don't affect me. When you start living life on your terms, people will talk, they'll criticize, doubt, and try to bring you down. But here's the thing, their opinions don't define you. Let them talk, let them doubt. Their words have no power over your actions or your grind. Their negativity can't slow you down because you're focused and locked in. Don't give anyone the power to shake your confidence. You've got too much to achieve to worry about what others think. Opinions are just that, opinions. They aren't facts most of the time. People are simply projecting their insecurities onto you. What truly matters is how you see yourself. If you believe in your mission and stay committed to your goals, then outside opinions are irrelevant. Stay focused on your journey and don't let external noise disrupt your inner peace. You weren't made to fit into someone else's mold. Keep moving forward, stay rooted in your purpose, and let your results speak louder than their words. Number 9, life is precious. At the end of the day, no matter how hard you work or how many goals you chase, never forget this: life is precious. Don't waste a single moment. Don't let negativity rob you of your joy, and never take the people you love for granted. Every day you wake up is a gift. Treat it as such. Begin with gratitude, live with passion, and always remember, life is too short to settle for anything less than your best. It's easy to get lost in the hustle and grind, but don't let that blind you to the bigger picture. This life, these moments, they're fleeting as you work toward your dreams. Take time to appreciate the beauty and blessings around you. Laugh often, love deeply, live fully. Time is a resource you can never replenish, so don't waste it on anything that doesn't bring you joy or align with your purpose. Make every single day count, surround yourself with positivity, and never lose sight of what truly matters. Life is precious, and the way you live it is up to you. And there you have it, 9 things to remind yourself of every single day. You deserve to live a life filled with purpose, potential, and greatness. Don't forget, I left a question for you in the comments. I want to hear your thoughts, because your perspective matters in this journey we're on together. Stay focused, stay motivated, keep pushing forward because you are the best. And if you've made it this far, drop a 100 in the comments to show you're part of the 1% working to improve every single day.